Guys, I'm back for camping like yesterday and yesterday. Look, I cut my hair. Okay, right? I cut my hair. So, when I make Tonto channel YouTube, wait, I can fix it. Wait, I will post. Sorry, my phone was upside down. Like, look. But my picture make me a lot of squishy. Look. Oh my gosh. So many. Wait, I will show you. Look guys, so many squishies. So much. And there's nails. One more nails and monies. Like Chromie. Like I need to hurry. It's almost night. It's almost 9 o'clock. I need to make hurry. My favorite. What is your favorite character, guys? Character. Sorry, I mean character. And comment below what is your character. My favorite character is Chromie. Cinnamon. Oh, the kawaii they say Cinnamon. Like Chromie. Oh, but we say Chromie and Cinnamon. Oh my god. I love this. I don't know the name, but I love the skin. So cute. And Hello Kitties. Brad in, I don't know the name, but it's Parp. Oh. And she made Pom Pom Puri. I think her name. His name is Pom Pom Puri. I think. In part 2, I'm gonna show you nails. And look, my dad buy it for me. There's so much fun here, energy. Oh my gosh. I got my dad. This is my sister. She always shy to use. Look, my sister. She's talking to her boyfriend. So. I'm gonna make cartoon egg with my sister. You want? No? Okay. I think that's all my stories. So bye bye. See you next time in part 2.